Spain's craziest baby festival. Get ready for an incredible journey into one of Spain's most unique traditions. Welcome to Colmenar Viejo, Spain, where an ancient tradition unfolds every year. El Colacho has been celebrated since the 17th century in the small town of Castrillo de Murcia, Spain. The festival is believed to have originated as a way to ward off evil spirits and bring good luck to the newborns, a tradition deeply rooted in Spanish folklore. Villagers dressed as devils, known as El Colacho, leap over infants to cleanse them of sin and protect them from harm, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. This unique blend of superstition and tradition, combined with the vibrant community spirit, has kept the festival alive for over 400 years, making it a fascinating spectacle of Spanish culture. El Colacho, or the Baby Jumping Festival, is a centuries-old ritual with roots stretching back to the 1600s. Preparation for El Colacho begins weeks in advance, with the entire village buzzing with activity. Costumes are meticulously crafted, each stitch and detail reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the region. The route is carefully planned to ensure the safety of the infants, with villagers working together in a blend of excitement and dedication. The vibrant and elaborate costumes are a crucial part of the festival, symbolizing the devils that will leap over the babies. These preparations are as much a part of the tradition as the jump itself, reflecting the community's deep-rooted respect for this age-old ritual. The festival is a time for the community to come together, share stories, and pass down traditions to the younger generations. Men dressed as devils, known as El Colacho, prepare to leap over rows of infants. Men dressed as devils, known as El Colacho, prepare to leap over rows of infants. Participants of the festival share their experiences. "It's a thrilling and unique tradition," says one of the jumpers. "We feel a deep connection to our ancestors," adds another. El Colacho is not just a festival, it's a cultural heritage that dates back centuries. It brings the community together, fostering a sense of unity and shared history. As generations gather to witness and partake in this age-old tradition, they reinforce their bond with the past and with each other. This collective experience is not only a testament to the enduring spirit of the village, but also a vibrant celebration of their identity and continuity. Music, dance, and shared rituals play a crucial role in strengthening the community's cultural fabric. The festival's activities, from the daring baby jumping to the joyous communal gatherings, create lasting memories and a profound sense of belonging. El Colacho is a living tradition, a beacon of cultural pride that continues to illuminate the hearts of its people. This daring act is believed to cleanse the babies of sin and protect them from illness. The festival is filled with vibrant parades, traditional music, and joyous celebrations. It's a spectacle that attracts visitors from all over the world. But it's not always graceful. What a jump. The crowd watches with a mix of anticipation and joy, celebrating a tradition that binds their community. The crowd watches with a mix of anticipation and joy, celebrating a tradition that binds their community. With each jump, hope and tradition are renewed. El Colacho, a unique blend of faith, fear, and festive spirit. The festival's origins can be traced back to the 17th century, where it began as a way to ward off evil spirits. Over the years, it has evolved into a vibrant celebration that attracts visitors from all over the world. Interviews with locals reveal the deep cultural significance of El Colacho. "It's a tradition that has been passed down through generations," says one villager with a proud smile. Another villager adds, "We take great pride in preserving it. It's not just a festival, it's a symbol of our community's unity and resilience." Their words paint a vivid picture of how deeply intertwined El Colacho is with the fabric of their lives. The costumes worn by the participants are meticulously crafted, often taking weeks to complete. Each costume is unique, reflecting the creativity and dedication of the villagers. The vibrant colors and intricate designs are not just for show, they are a testament to the artistry and commitment that goes into preserving this age-old tradition. These costumes are more than just attire. They are a symbol of the community's devotion to El Colacho, embodying its spirit and history in every stitch. The festival also features a variety of traditional Spanish music and dance performances. These performances add to the festive atmosphere, making El Colacho a truly immersive experience. From the rhythmic beats of flamenco to the lively melodies of traditional folk songs, the air is filled with the sounds of celebration. Dancers in vibrant costumes move gracefully, their steps telling stories of Spain's rich cultural heritage. These performances are not just entertainment, they are a vital part of the festival, bringing the community together in a shared expression of joy and tradition. The music and dance echo through the streets, creating an unforgettable backdrop to the extraordinary events of El Colacho. Safety is a top priority during the festival. The route is carefully planned, and participants undergo rigorous training to ensure the safety of the infants. Each step of the ritual is meticulously organized, with experienced volunteers and organizers overseeing every detail. From the construction of the protective barriers to the precise timing of the jumps, nothing is left to chance. This dedication to safety allows families to participate with confidence, knowing that their babies are in good hands. The commitment to safety is a testament to the community's respect for tradition and their collective responsibility to protect the next generation. El Colacho is not just a local event, it has gained international recognition. Visitors from around the world come to witness this unique tradition and experience the rich culture of Colmenar Viejo. The festival has become a symbol of cultural pride, drawing attention from media and tourists alike. This global interest has helped preserve the tradition, ensuring that it continues to thrive in the modern age. From curious onlookers to passionate photographers, El Colacho captivates the hearts and minds of people far beyond the borders of Spain. The festival concludes with a grand celebration, where the entire community comes together to celebrate their heritage. It's a moment of joy and pride for everyone involved. The streets of Colmenar Viejo are filled with laughter, music, and dance, as people of all ages join in the festivities. Traditional Spanish tunes fill the air, and vibrant costumes add a splash of color to the scene. This final celebration is not just about the end of the festival, but a testament to the enduring spirit and unity of the community. As the sun sets, the echoes of El Colacho's leaps and the community's cheers linger, leaving everyone with cherished memories and a deep sense of connection to their cultural roots. In recent years, efforts have been made to document and preserve the history of El Colacho. These efforts ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy and participate in this unique tradition. Local historians, community leaders, and dedicated volunteers work tirelessly to capture the essence of the festival through photographs, written records, and video documentaries. Educational programs are also introduced in schools, allowing young minds to learn about the rich cultural heritage of their town. This commitment to preservation not only honors the past but also inspires the future, ensuring that the vibrant spirit of El Colacho will endure for generations to come. El Colacho is a testament to the enduring spirit of the community. It's a celebration of faith, tradition, and the unbreakable bond between the past and the present. As the festival continues to evolve, it remains deeply rooted in the values and beliefs of those who came before. Each leap over the babies symbolizes a leap of faith, a bridge between generations, and a promise that the vibrant culture of Spain will continue to thrive. The laughter, the music, the colors, and the collective joy experienced during El Colacho create memories that last a lifetime and stories that are passed down through the ages. This living tradition is more than just a festival. It is the heartbeat of a community, a beacon of unity, and a celebration of life itself.